Let me tell you something that shocks a lot of people when they hear it. Being a pastor, for me, is way more stressful than being a hostage negotiator ever was. Church is that challenging. Here's the truth. Navigating conflict in faith-based settings is one of the toughest professional challenges you can face, and here's why. The most challenging form of conflict we deal with is ideological conflict. Conflict that's rooted in deeply held beliefs and values. And in ministry, that's the reality all the time. Ministry is unique because it's not just a job. It's tied to your identity, your beliefs, and your spiritual well-being. And when people don't share your beliefs, it can feel as if your identity is being challenged during conflict. And let's not forget, people expect believers and ministry leaders to act a certain way. And when they don't, judgment creeps in. Confidence gets labeled as arrogance, disagreement becomes disobedience, and so on. I think that's why so many believers tend to sit back and let conflict fester unimpeded because they're afraid of being offended or offending someone else. It's really hard for people to love and live with other people who challenge their beliefs, but it's not impossible. And that's why I'm excited to share that I'm going to be leading a virtual workshop for the Berkeley Divinity School at Yale this November. And we're going to be talking about how faith leaders can manage their intrapersonal conflicts with grace and confidence so that they can lead others more effectively under pressure. So if you're a faith leader who wants to lead well during conflict, be sure to check the link in my bio for more information.